Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to change your image thumbnails into icons and icons into thumbnails. Firstly, let me show you what are image thumbnails and as well as image icons. For example, if you take this folder contains full of images. It has only icons, not the thumbnails in the sense, if you open any of the image, it will be showing you the image, so you need to see a small image of it and it's a thumbnail. So you would like to see the thumbnail of an image. So how would you represent yourself? Firstly, what you should need to do is that you need to go to my computer. Since this is Windows 10, my computer is changed as my PC. So I would like to go to my PC. Yes, this PC. And you need to right click and go to properties. In properties, go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, go to settings, and you can see an option here like show thumbnails instead of icons, and you click it here and go to apply. Then you can see here every of the image is going to be changed into thumbnails, and you can see directly, and if you want to delete some of the images, you can delete it directly instead of opening it completely, which takes you a longer time. So let's do it in a notepad. And on how you would actually do it, go to my PC, then go to advanced settings, go to settings, then go to show thumbnails ins instead of icons. So this is how you need to do. And if you would like to change the thumbnails into icons, you just need to unclick the option. That's it. Thank you guys.